Welcome to another mega exciting 3-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's see what happens here. I'll keep the knight for c6 just in case. That would have been useful anyway, to get a knight c6 rather than d7. More aggressive on c6. Can I fit Fianchetto here? Yeah, do I need to protect the queen? That's the question. For e5. If I kick this bishop immediately. Alright, okay, knight h5. If he's going to play e5, I'll take care. I'll take this bishop off. I don't think the position's that bad. So knight e5, let's put pressure on the c4. Okay, that's annoying. Yep, that is annoying. Avoid the structural damage. Why does he let me avoid it? Doesn't seem as bad structurally.
Check.
Oh, is it? It's got 95. Play something like e6. E6 and A6. Yeah, I think he's let me off the hook. I suspect he's let me off the hook. Come on, he could have just isolated a pawn. What is this? Alright, A6 for rook d8. Really? Okay.
Check.
Queen's aggressive. Bishop's nice, I think. Time pressure. Time advantage. Maybe g4 for knight d4. Or just knight d4 or a6. Hang on, the check. Doesn't that just win b2 now? That protected b5. The check for queen takes b2. K4 here for knight d4 looks good. Nice central control. It's queen c1. What is he doing here? I think he's a bit stuck. I think queen a1 just to protect d4, keep that pin. bishop c3. Yeah, I think I'm doing nicely here. Anyway, so yeah, fun one. Yeah, I thought you just let me off the hook though. I think c5, yeah, was a problem. I keep thinking about e5, but c5. Actually, engine likes this idea. Okay. Hang on a sec. It doesn't even work. Knight b4. Does it? If here? Yeah, it's a bit dodgy. If here? Yeah, it's dodgy. Yes, what does he do? He's just losing a pawn for nothing. Yeah, I didn't realise knight b4 forcing move. No, yeah, just c takes t. What's wrong with cd? So I could have gotten advantage with g4. Really? Right.
Check.
Engine likes my position here a lot.
Check.
Is it because of this? Yeah, I think it likes my position a lot. There is a bit of nagging pressure here. This final position, I can win a pawn, and he's not doing much. It's a bit stuffed here. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.